Yes, that is for admission to colleges, especially to institutes of professional education, such as medical colleges. Governments define a set of cut-off marks. ये तो आपको पता ही है. Okay, colleges में. This means that not all Dalit and tribal candidates, I'm sorry, can qualify for admission, but only those who have done reasonably well and secured marks above the cutoff point. Government also offers special scholarships for those students. In the class 9th political science, you will read more on reservations for the backward classes. Okay, see on page number 98. See this purple page. I'm sorry. You have read Kabir's poems in your language. Sorry, actually I'm suffering from cold today. Kabir was a 15th century poet and weaver who also belonged to the Bhakti tradition. Kabir's poetry spoke about his love for the Supreme, being free of ritual and priest. It also expresses his sharp and pointed criticism of those he saw as powerful. Kabir attacked those who attempted to define individuals on the basis of their religious and caste identities. In his view, every person had the ability to reach the highest level of spiritual salvation and deep knowledge within themselves through their own experience. His poetry brings out the powerful idea of the equality of all human beings and their labor. He writes about valuing the work of the ordinary potter, the weaver, and the woman carrying the water pot, labor that in his poetry becomes the basis of understanding the entire universe. His direct, courageous challenge inspired many, and even today Kabir's poetry is sung and appreciated by Dalits, marginalized groups, and those critical of social hierarchies in UP, Rajasthan, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Bengal, Bihar and Gujarat. Okay, कबीर की कभी आप पोयम पढ़ना या किसी भी गॉड के लिए कोई वर्सेस, एक उसके पीछे एक थीम होता है ऑलवेज. आप में भी आपके लिटरेचर बुक्स में काफ़ी कबीर की पोएम्स होती है, बहुत अच्छी ब्यूटीफुल होती है, सिंपल होती है, और कबीर के दोहे भी. ओके, the next is protecting the rights of Dalits and Adivasis. Besides policies, there are also specific laws to protect the rights of marginalized communities, the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes. Act 1989 in one such. This act was framed in 1989 in response to the demands made by Dalits and others that the government must take seriously the ill treatment and humiliation to Dalits and tribal group that they face every day. आज भी ये प्रॉब्लम है. In the late 1970s and 1980s, in part of South India, the Dalits asserted themselves by refusing to perform their so-called caste duties and insisted on being treated equally. This resulted in the more powerful caste unleashing violence against them in order to indicate to the government that untouchability was still being practiced and in the most hideous manner. Dalit groups demanded new laws that would list the various sorts of violence against Dalits and prescribe punishment for those who indulge in them. Likewise, Adivasi people also रहेंगे. Likewise, Adivasis people have also organized themselves and demanded equal rights besides the return of their land and resources. They had to face the anger of powerful social groups and were subject to a great deal of violence. That is why the Act contains a very long list of crimes that Dalits and Adivasis have been subjected to, some of which are too horrible even to contemplate. पहले टाइम में आदिवासी और ट्राइबल पीपल के साथ बहुत ही बुरा व्यवहार किया जाता था, बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब उनको इंसान समझा ही नहीं जाता था, जानवरों के जैसे बिहेव किया जाता था उनके साथ. ओके, सो दैट वाज वेरी बैड. वो टाइम पे आदिवासी एंड ट्राइबल पीपल ने बहुत डिफ़िकल्टीज को झेला है, इंसल्ट्स. देन उनको बिल्कुल जानवरों के जैसे बिहेव करते थे उनके साथ. सो प्रोटेक्टिंग द राइट्स ऑफ दलित्स एंड आदिवासीज. ओके, I will give you 5 minutes. Just read this page number 98 or 99 का half. That is वो पूरा topic protecting the rights of Dalits and Adivasis. Full topic. Just read it. I will give you 5 minutes. वहाँ पे एक रत्नाम की ट्रू स्टोरी है. करेंगे. ओके, एक ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी है रत्नाम की, कैसे वो अगेंस्ट था, जो उनसे काम करवाया जाता था उसके अगेंस्ट था। उसने जाके पुलिस में रिपोर्ट भी की थी। वो जो रिचुअल था उसको बंद तो करवा दिया था, लेकिन वो फैमिली हमेशा के लिए उसे गांव छोड़ के जाना पड़ा था। ये ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी है, ओके, रत्नाम की। Okay students, so in my next class I will continue from page number 99. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और सिंपल लेसन है, प्लीज डू रीड द लेसन। Okay, so please do read the lesson, and from here I'll continue in my next class. Okay, and please complete your books, और जिन्होंने subject enrichment activity नहीं दी है please submit it on time. Okay, so with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.